today. A bit chilly. I'm going to be looking at trying to repair that. It's a wear mark on the door handle, driver's door. So I'm going to remove the door card, take this section off and see if I can get a bit of cleaning on that, and maybe even repair this. And you'll see around here a wee bit of the leather paint has come off. So that's today's job. Hopefully get it looking like new. So that's the door card off. Fairly straightforward. There's a screw at this side here, and if you open that flap there, there's 2 screws in there. You can see they've already felt out. They come in here. There's one at the bottom, and there's one in this hole in here. Just pull the handle off and a main plug, and you've then got the door card completely off. I'm going to see if I can take that bit off separately. So this is behind the wee cubby box. I think we need to take that out, which looks fairly straightforward. So there's a number of bolts. There. There's a couple up here and up here. One over here. So just loosen the bolts to remove that. And I think it should just come out. So I'll get that round the other side and take that out, and hopefully that other part behind it will come off. So there we are, got that bit off. That's the cubby hole there. You can see that, so we can set that aside and maybe give that a wee clean up. It's just a wee spring mechanism in there. So I have discovered that this bit here can't come off. So it's part of the moulding of the door. I managed to take the handle off. That allows us to maybe mask this off. It allows us to paint. I'm going to try and paint this bit here and that bit there. So I'm going to mask all that bit off. That allows us to repair these small blemishes you can see here and here. The main part is this handle. I need to get that right. There's another angle of the problem there. Look here. So this is the products we used from Furniture Clinic. I've used these in the past and they've been very good. So we use a leather prep to rub down the surface area, then we give it a clean with alcohol, mix up some paint, spray it on, and we finish with the leather finish and sealer. So, looks not bad in there. A couple of them are coats to go, I think. So, that's where they are. I'm just shining a torch on there to let you see if I can get any bits in there. Not too bad. So here we are, that's all the tape off. It looks a wee bit lighter than the other parts. Maybe it's just because they've faded a wee fraction. We do have some spots in the speaker. I'm going to try and figure out if that's a wee bit rust where the paint's coming off there. But generally it looks okay. Pretty pleased with that, to be quite honest with you, in comparison. So I just need to rebuild it. I'll give it a general once over. And the door card looks okay. So here we have the final product. considering. Still a wee bit of tape to take out there. So yeah, looks much better.